Good morning. Monday morning in Port Elizabeth. It's been a very windy day. I think this afternoon's racing is going to be quite fun, but it's definitely windy. Anyway, the reason for this morning's video is I have told you in the last few videos that I want to do some videos privately for the serious people that are following at the moment. I've got about 80 to 100 people viewing the videos. But what I want to do is to make some videos that will be in advance of the ones for the general public, so that if I wanted to give you some tips for the day without giving it to the whole world, I can just give my tips to those who are particularly interested in what I'm doing, and they'll be the ones that have been the people yourselves who've been following me for years. And I'd like to make videos for you, and for that, just drop me an email, or drop me an email if you like, or a WhatsApp. I'll put the details a little bit later in the video, and let me know that you'd like that. There's no charge for it. What I would like to do then is send you a link to the private video that I'm making, so that when you click on it, it'll open up just for you, and if you haven't got the link, it won't be available to the general public until the following day. Alright, so if that interests you, and if there are enough of you doing it for me to support it, then I'll go ahead and do it. Alright, so here's the link now. I'll show it, and I look forward to hearing from, I hope, at least 40 odd people. Okay, thanks a lot. I'll chat again later.